Hi, my friend Akram here from ClickFunnels Tech Support. So I understand that you want to recover the changes you made Thursday 10:30 p.m. Now, in terms of recovering your changes, the only way you can is actually through clicking on the gear icon here, and it's we only have 5 saves in the past 30 days that you can recover, right? So, for example, this one is Monday. So you edited this ones today, and this one has some Thursdays in them. So Thursday, and the times available. So these are the those are the only options in terms of recovering your last changes. Um, for the other ones like a specific date or a specific time, unfortunately, that's not currently a feature. So, like I said, just last 5 changes are the ones that you can recover. If not, you probably need to just recreate it again. So, thank you very much for your time. Let me know if that answers your question, and bye for now.